Thinking about running payroll for your business but feeling a little intimidated? What if I told you that you could be done in less time than it takes to brew your morning coffee? Today, we're going to walk through how to set up and run your very first payroll in Wave. Wave is a fantastic accounting and invoicing tool for small businesses, and its payroll feature makes paying your employees quick and painless. Before we dive in, there are a few things you'll want to have handy: your business's federal and state tax IDs, your employees' personal information, and their banking details. Got everything? Great, let's get started. First, log into your Wave account and click on Payroll in the left-hand menu. If it's your first time, you'll be guided through a simple setup wizard. You'll need to enter your business's legal name, address, and your federal employer identification number, also known as the FIN. Wave will then ask for your state tax information. This is crucial for making sure the right taxes are withheld and paid. Once your business info is set, it's time to add your employees. Click on Employees and then add an employee. You'll need their full legal name, email address, and home address. Wave will send them an invite to a secure portal where they can enter their personal details, like their bank account for direct deposit and their W-4 information. This saves you a ton of data entry and keeps everything secure. After your employees have filled out their information, you're ready to run your first payroll. From the payroll dashboard, click on Run Payroll. You'll see a list of your employees and their pay information. You can enter the hours worked for hourly employees or confirm the salary for salaried staff. If you need to add any bonuses, commissions, or reimbursements, you can do that here as well. Wave automatically calculates all the necessary deductions, including federal income tax, Social Security, Medicare, and any state taxes. You'll see a clear summary of how much you'll be paying your employees and how much will go to taxes. Once everything looks correct, click Approve. Wave will then process the direct deposits to your employees' bank accounts on the scheduled pay date. It will also handle the tax payments for you, so you don't have to worry about missing any deadlines. You'll get a confirmation once everything is processed, and your employees will receive their pay stubs automatically. And that's it. You've just successfully run your first payroll with Wave. The next time you need to pay your employees, the process will be even faster since all the initial setup is complete. You can also generate detailed reports and access past payroll information right from your dashboard. Wave makes it simple to stay on top of your financial records and ensure your team is paid on time, every time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.